Hey guys, Jay here. Welcome to Eons of Battle, the new Eons of Battle. There's plenty of new things to talk about. Let's get into it. This will be something of a channel update. We have been back putting out videos for over a year, publishing 3 videos a week, and 155 videos later, here we are. From humble beginnings as horribly nerdy high schoolers making hobby videos with the production quality of middle schoolers, we are now producing hobby videos that we are really proud of. And I would like to thank all the viewers who seem to agree with me that the videos are good because you watch them, and that is really cool. We strive to always be fun and positive on the channel. I remember starting off in the hobby about 8 years ago and had so many awesome hobby channels to watch and keep the party going even after my games were done and my friends had all gone home. That is what we will continue to do here. We want to be a resource. We love playing these games and I want everyone to be having as much fun as I am. We here at Ye Olde Eons of Battle, we love making videos. I mean, we make 3 a week, it's all we ever do. But we can't just do it on YouTube alone. We started a Patreon and it has grown an incredible amount, and it makes me so humble that people want to support us. We have a lot of people on the Patreon now, and that has given us a real opportunity here. We want to be a hobby resource. We want to make a product that can help people get the most out of their games. We offered some original terrain STLs to our patrons and we love the response and want to do a lot more of that. We will be coming out with terrain monthly. We have nothing but ideas, and we're making these terrain pieces with gaming in mind. All of the terrain we make will not only look great, but will function well on the tabletop. And in addition to those monthly terrain STLs, we now have some Patreon-only shows. Something different from our normal YouTube thing. Something we could really only do on Patreon. A lot like our EOB Complete where we show off people's models at the end of our videos, we have a new show where we select viewers' models to really deep dive on and give some thoughtful critique, and more importantly, encouragement. I am really pumped for this show. I know every time I see a model, I have things to say. You can think of it like a one-on-one tutoring that you can watch over and over again. And in addition to that show, we also have a new show where we take a look at the content over on Conflict Gavel Plus. We're geeky wargamers and we wanted to watch the stuff anyway. Come along and watch with us, Mystery Science Theater 3000 style, as we get excited by and make fun of the official Combat Mallet Plus content. You know what I'm talking about. And what you've all been waiting for, battle reports. Yes, our Patreon launched with one goal, and that was to create the best gosh darn battle reports out there. Since we started this channel, we knew we wanted to make some battle reports, and having finally reached that goal, work has commenced. Now, battle reports are tricky because I feel like what's out there currently, although excellent, is not for me. I don't want to see every single dice roll, and I don't want to watch a 2 to 3 hour video. And so our goal is to make easy to watch, quick, narrative-driven battle reports from the model's perspective. My favorite aspect of wargaming is the element of role-playing. I don't want to feel like a nerd rolling dice. I already know what that feels like. I want to feel like I'm in the middle of a vicious battle between Space Marines and Orcs. And we are actively working on getting that accomplished. The tentative release schedule for our first battle report is in November. But we really want to do something unique and special with battle reports, and we're not going to publish anything until we feel it's perfect. If you are currently a member of our Patreon, not only are you supporting us with food and shelter money, but you're also helping us grow and upgrade the quality of our videos. And you get some cool perks as well. Behind the scenes updates of what we're working on, the video release schedule early, voting on what models I paint live here on YouTube. Yep, I don't pick anything, it's all the patrons. You will get those STLs I mentioned earlier, and the coolest part to me, an exclusive hobby hangout with us every Friday night from 10 PM to 12 AM Central Time, where we all pile into a Discord room and chit chat. It's an awesome way to end the week. It reminds me of when I used to hang out at the local Warhammer store. Just a bunch of nerds all hanging out. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
Everybody now.
She was looking confident with a finger in on her head.
Our Patreon-only show premieres on Saturdays, and some are out now. And we will continue to produce our weekly YouTube videos, and those will get better too. We have big things in the works. Stay tuned. And we also stream live painting every day of the week except Sundays. Come hang out with Nick and I and chat about the current goings-on of wargaming, joking around and telling stories while getting a little bit of painting done along the way. Thank you all so much for giving us the opportunity to do this. It is our favorite thing to do. I am still in shock at how much this has grown in just a year. I mean, look at the new set! I hope you guys continue to enjoy the videos we make, and as always, thanks for watching.